Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting permissions out of the way so the app can read and send messages. Open Whatsauto, grant notifications, and accessibility. This is required for automation. Once done, allow media and contacts so replies can include images or names. Tap Setup to link WhatsApp, choose a basic auto-reply template, and name it. Make sure to test with one contact right away so you confirm messages flow. This first step gets the engine running and avoids permission errors later. Next, build the core logic that controls when and to whom replies go. You create rules for days and hours, for example, weekdays 9/17, and then craft templates that include variables like name for personalization. Once done, pick whether rules apply to all selected contacts, groups, or unknown numbers, and set exclusions to avoid auto-reply loops. Also configure attachments, optional send delay, and language. Make sure to preview rules with a couple of test messages, so you can refine. Finally, activate auto mode to let Whatsauto run in the background. Monitor the activity log to confirm replies are sent and note any blocked attempts. If messages fail, make quick adjustments. Reduce send frequency, tweak templates, or recheck contact selection. Also confirm battery optimization is disabled for Whatsauto so Android doesn't kill the app. If things still fail, re-grant notification and accessibility permissions, and then restart your device. That often clears service hangs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.